If your car broke down right now, or you lost your job tomorrow, how many days could you actually survive financially? For most people, the honest answer is somewhere between 0 and 5 days. That is genuinely terrifying. But here is the good news: you can build a real $1,000 emergency fund starting from absolute zero, even on a tight income. In this video, you will get the exact step-by-step plan, including where to put the money and how to actually stick with it. Let's talk about why $1,000 specifically, and why this number matters more than people think. Most financial emergencies, a car repair, a medical bill, a broken appliance, cost somewhere between $300 and $1,000. This fund is not meant to cover everything forever, it is meant to stop one bad week from becoming one bad year. Once you understand the why, the how becomes a lot easier. Let's get into it. Step 1. Open a separate account specifically for this money, never mix it with your everyday spending account. This matters more than people expect. If the money is sitting right next to your spending cash, you will eventually dip into it. A high-yield savings account works best. Your money earns a little interest while staying easy to access in a real emergency. Avoid investing this money in stocks or anything that can lose value. This fund needs to be stable, not growing fast. Step 2. Start absurdly small. Seriously, your first goal is not $1,000, it is just $25. Why so small? Because the habit of saving consistently matters far more at the start than the amount itself. Once $25 feels easy and automatic, you raise it to $50, then $75, then $100, building momentum gradually. This approach works because it removes the overwhelm of staring at a $1,000 goal that feels impossibly far away. Step 3. Automate the transfer so saving does not depend on willpower or memory at all. Set it to transfer the same day your paycheck lands, before you have the chance to spend that money elsewhere. Even $10 to $20 per paycheck adds up faster than you would expect once it becomes fully automatic. Step 4. Find the money by auditing your current spending. Most people have $50 to $150 hiding in plain sight. Check in used subscriptions, delivery fees, impulse purchases, and small daily habits that quietly add up. Redirect every dollar you find directly into your emergency fund. Do not let it quietly disappear into something else. Step 5. Use windfalls aggressively. Tax refunds, bonuses, birthday money, cashback rewards. These are not regular income, so they will not be missed from your everyday budget, making them perfect for this fund. A single tax refund alone can sometimes get you halfway to your full $1,000 goal in one move. If you are starting from genuinely zero right now, that is completely fine. Everyone watching this started exactly where you are. Let's put a realistic timeline on this. Saving $25 a week gets you to $1,000 in about 9 months. Saving $50 a week cuts that down to roughly 4.5 months, almost twice as fast. And combining steady saving with even 1 or 2 windfalls can realistically get you there in under 3 months. There is no single correct speed here, the goal is simply consistent forward movement, whatever pace fits your life. Let's recap the 5 steps to build your $1,000 emergency fund from zero. Open a separate account. Start with just $25. Automate the transfer. Audit your spending. Use windfalls aggressively. This fund will not solve every financial problem you ever face, but it will stop the small ones from becoming disasters. Start today, even if it is just $5, the account existing is more important than the amount inside it right now. If this helped, there is a lot more like it on this channel. Subscribe so the next one finds you.